let's look at the 2-minute EWO. Okay. We look down here. Yes, at the open, you could have got in, right? You would have got a taste. Hard bounce. Remember me calling this yesterday? I said there's the bounce at 231.26. You guys remember that live? Okay. It never came back. It had a hard bounce, came all the way back up. Now, let's look at the pre-market levels again. And this is why these are important to you. This is why it matters. And this is why everybody gets quiet when we do this. Tesla yesterday was 236.10 was my upper band limit, right? This is the higher amount. See it right here? Right to the penny. See it?
Yep.
That is what we called yesterday, 40 minutes before the bell, 236.10 to the upside. What do we do on resistance?
Puts.
Yep. And there it goes, right? So this is the upper level. Now, if this would have came back to do a retest, right? If it had come all the way back up to do a retest and formed a cup at some point today, we know we would have pushed that down because that would be the handle. And then as soon as if it comes straight back for the retest and it breaks through, what should we do?
Calls.
Thank you. So if it did one of these, it pulls up, it comes back, and it comes all the way back up. Retest. This is your cup. See it? We always know. The reason there's always a cup and usually a handle is because what do we do on resistance?
Puts.
That's right. So wouldn't that be the handle? Right? So is that starting to make sense why there's a cup and handle? So these are big areas that we know for a fact what we can do and why and when. Now the trade on a double top, we already know puts. Okay, well, if we're going to do a put and because we're scalping, that has nothing to do with a 2-minute EWO, your stop will be right here. Because if this does decide to break through and not just a little poke through, because that could still drive through, you got to give it enough room, right? Where it doesn't, right? Huge breakthrough. Because if it's a big breakthrough, remember what's the rule? A long candle is just as good as a confirmation second candle, right? Because a giant candle has to come all the way back and break through again, which makes it a little harder on itself. But you've got to give it just enough wiggle room, right? We'll just say up here, just for sake, so you guys understand what I'm saying. Because it could poke through, poke, right?